So guys, our next question is, what's the difference between list and tuples? Okay. Now guys, we know that lists are the data structure in which we store elements, multiple elements, right? Okay. Now, there also one more data structure called the tuple, in which we also store multiple elements. Now, guys, if someone asks you that, hey, what's the difference between list and tuples? The key difference is that tuples are immutable. For example, guys, if I try to make a list and then I update it. Okay, let me just. Sorry. Yes. So if I make a list equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now instead of 5, I wanted some other element, right? I want to put some other element. Then how will I do it? First of all, I have to check index numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to work on fourth index number. Then I will just say list 4 should be 10 instead of 5 and print list. So guys, if I try to print the list, see guys, instead of 5 now I have 10 here. But if I try to do this thing again, same thing in tuple. Okay. Round brackets. Round brackets. Tuple. Tuple. Now guys, I would not be able to update any kind of or modify the elements inside my tuple as tuples are immutable. Okay. Tuple object, guys, can you see tuple object does not support item assign. Cool. So values in the tuple, once you have created it, this means that you cannot change the values in a tuple once you have created it. So if you are going to need to change the values in a list. Okay. Apart from tuples being immutable, there's also semantic distinctions guide their usage. So tuples are heterogeneous data structures. Their entities have different meanings, while lists are homogeneous. Means tuples have structure, lists have order. So means guys, in tuple, we just define our heterogeneous data structure. Okay. And in list, we use homogeneous data structure. Cool. So in list, we have to modify using brackets, right? These brackets. So we can access them. In tuples, we have to use enclosing ones. So we are enclosing the data. That provides more security. Because once the data has been made, we cannot edit data. We cannot edit the data. And here, we can edit as much as we want. As we want. Cool. Perfect. Thank you so much. Again, we have a new question, that is sort an array of zeros, ones, twos, right? Cool. Now guys, we have to sort the array. For example, if you got the input like this, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 like this. Now guys, then you have to sort like that. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, which means zeros will be on the left and twos will be on the right. and in between we have our 1 between. Now guys, this question has been asked in Adobe, Amazon Hike, MicMetrip, Mac Software, Microsoft, Morgan Stanley, Ola Caps, Paytm, Qualcomm's, SAP Labs, Walmart. Guys, if this question has been asked in these many companies, and guys, it will be really important question, right? With Python, guys, we will make sure that you don't have to worry about anything. Cool. As the usual, guys, we do the first part, which is our make the empty, ask for the user, okay, n integer, perfect. N equals to integer, input, enter the length. After that, guys, for, or if I take about empty list equals to empty list for I in range n. Then guys, let's do one thing. Take from the user and then put that into the list dot append and take. Perfect. Now guys, so the next step is we have reached to our taking input from the user, empty list, and guys taking inside the thing that we usually doing perfectly. Now guys, the main thing comes without even using sorting algorithm, okay, we can just normally count how many count tables are there inside our list. So I will say count 0, okay, equals to test list dot count 0. Similarly, guys, do it for other ones as well. 1 count, test count 1, and guys, 2 count like 2 count. Perfect. So guys, now we have counted our zeros, ones, and twos. Now what will we say? Sorted list. We don't need to use a sorting algorithm perfectly. So we will just say sorted list equals to 0 count into 0 plus. Now guys, we will add our element. Perfect. So here, instead of, sorry guys, add 0th position. Now 1 count star into 1 plus 2 count star 2. Print sorted list. Now guys, let's try. See, click on run. 6 0 1 2 0 1 2. See guys, we got our list as sorted one without even using guys any for loop, without any using guys time complexity. Time complexity guys of this one will be O1. Most optimized solution. Again, one of the most optimized. Cool. Perfect. Thank you. Now guys, our next question is, what is swap function? Swap case function in Python. So it is a string function that converts all uppercase characters into lowercase and vice versa. For example, guys, if I got a string, think cloudly. Perfect. it is used to alter the existing case of the string, which means, guys, it will alter the uppercase characters to lowercase and lowercase characters to uppercase. Perfect. For example, guys, we got Thinkcloudly. Now the uppercase one is capital T, right? The first one. Now the swapped function will be like string dot swap case. This is how we do it. If string equals to like this, swap case. Now it will become like this. Small t, and all of the rest one will become uppercase. So the lowercase will become uppercase and uppercase will become lowercase. Uppercase will become lowercase and lowercase will become uppercase. Perfect, guys. That's it for today's. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Switch from non-IT to IT today. Explore www.thinkcloudly.com.